Welcome to the vibrant city of London, where history meets modernity and iconic landmarks await at every turn. Immerse yourself in the rich history as you explore the magnificent Tower of London, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Stroll along the charming streets of Notting Hill, famous for its colorful houses and vibrant atmosphere. Indulge in retail therapy at the world-renowned department store, Harrods, where luxury and elegance meet. Escape the bustling city and find tranquility in the serene beauty of Hyde Park, one of London's largest royal parks. Immerse yourself in the world of art at the renowned Tate Modern, showcasing contemporary masterpieces from around the globe. Witness the grandeur of Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch, and witness the changing of the guard ceremony. End your London adventure with a ride on the London Eye, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city's skyline.